Hello guys, today in this video tutorial series I will walk you through creating a simple drawer app from scratch, in which I will create a fully customized header. In this header you can see we can change header right icon and we can change menu button to left arrow button. We can change header background, we can change header title and also its position. We can add any function on header right buttons. So let's get started. First, create new project. Simply write React Native space init space drawer app. You can give any name what you want. Meanwhile, we will copy some installation command. Let's go to the React Native official site and copy commands. We also installed React Native paper, React Native vector icon, and then we have to link it. Also, we have to install React Native crop image picker. React Native radial gradient. React Native community blur. Now let's open the project on VS Code. For image picker, add this code at Android apps build.gradle file. Now run the app. Now, first we will create a customized header component. Go to the app.js file, just clear it and then add React navigation container. First add home screen. In that screen, we will add header component. Now create components folder. In that, create a new file fheader.js. Now here add surface, import it from React Native paper. Here we separate header in 3 child view component, left, center and right. Now let's add header style. Give it a background color to yellow for debugging the separate view so that it is clearly visible. Now add button in left view. Also, copy and paste button at right view. Now add header title at center view. Set justify content to flex and to right view. Now change the other icons. Now declare prop for header. And add them into header component. Now add this prop at home screen and pass its value. Title is home. Add menu prop to show menu bar. Add right function and optional function. For opening drawer, we add navigation prop to header component. Add on press at menu button and in that pass navigation.openDrawer method. Add back button, pass navigation.goback method. Also add on press on other buttons. Now make optional icon and right icon changeable so that we can change header icon from home screen. Add background color prop to change background color from home screen. Now add header bg, add header component and pass the color. I already added green color, add colors file. So make sure you add this color to your color files. Now add icon prop to change icon color. Header title is not look center. So add header title container style and pass flex to 1. Remove flex from view style. Now it looks centered. Also, we can make header title center or left align from home screen. Just add title align prop and add on app header component and pass it to center or left. Now add badge for bell icon. Badge also required when icon is cart. Import badge from React Native paper. Add button style. And add style prop to badge component and make its position absolute. And then align it. Now declare optional badge prop and pass its value from home screen. Now you can see the header component is completed. Now you can add this header to your any screen. Thanks for watching. If you like it and want more video like this, do like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.